the destroyer of worlds.
Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. We had a little issue with the link. This is the new link. I hope everybody will get here soon. How are you this morning? How are you this afternoon, this evening? Let me know that you hear me. Let me know that you see me well. Nothing goes. Let me know how to... This one. Okay. Hear me, you hear me. Now, just let me post the link again. Thank you very much for joining. Good morning, Orin. Thank you very much for joining. We had a little issue with the link. I don't know why, but YouTube gave me a new link. So, 1 second, just let me post the link once again. Monday, another trading week, fascinating trading week coming up. Hi, Amir. Hi. Thank you very much for joining. Yang, Amir, Orin. Let me delete this one, so people will not wait for nothing. Some technical issues. Always we have technical issues, don't we? Yeah, I have a little echo. Nothing to do with it. I'm in Thailand, not in my normal office. So, a little bit echo. How much echo? People will not wait for nothing. We can overcome this echo, right? Hi Lai, hi Offer, thank you very much for joining. You see me double on the screen now. I've changed my view a little bit. Second. 2 more seconds. Thank you for your patience. In the meantime, let me know what do you think, what this coming week will bring us. You're taking UPST long. Can you share why? What did you see on UPST that we didn't saw? Then we can help each other. Some connections here, some technical issues in the last minute. Let me refresh the page. Okay, now we're good to go. Have you seen my good morning, Lital? Have you seen the stock market recap? Have you seen my top stocks to watch? I post every video 2 times, English and Hebrew. No excuses. 2024 is going to be your year. This is the year you start becoming professional trader. This year is your first stepping stone into financial freedom. As I'm still in Thailand, so if you hear echo, if you hear something not going well, if you see internet glitches, this is Copenhagen, this is Thailand. We're happy we have electricity. Yesterday, electricity fell down 8 p.m. It was 2 or 3 hours blackout. All Thailand, not all Thailand, all Copenhagen was black out. As you can see, you see in my background how the lights just flashing. Hi Eran, thank you very much for joining. Hi Ariel, thank you very much for joining. Ariel, let me know, talk me in the Discord. We need to schedule our next lesson, if I'm not mistaken. Talk to me on Discord. We will do it. So, what do you want to go over? We have the futures over here. This is the futures, 2 hours, 15 minutes, sorry, US 15 minutes. The SPX futures. This is not the ES1 futures. This is US 500. US 500 is the SPX futures. If you trade contracts, you trade according to the E-mini. A little bit different. Same, but different. As we all say, they say in Thailand. Futures 15 minutes, uptrend. We got ourselves a buy signal 40 minutes ago. Now pushing towards the upper trend line. Next is the 5100 and then 5110. This is how it looks on the 2 hours chart. Basically moving sideways. The 5076 area holding a support. Do you see me well? How do you see me? So, uptrend until proven otherwise. This is how the 65 minute looks. Why 65 minutes candles on the SPY? Every 6 full candles of the 65 gives us a full. Why do you see it like this? What's going on today? What is going on today? Now, this is the 65 minutes candle. Yeah, there are people watching. They don't speak Hebrew. This is an English-speaking channel. If we want to succeed in life, not only in trading, especially in trading, but not only in trading, we need to understand English. We need to speak English. It's the universal language. It's like trading without understanding candles, without understanding price action. Price action, candles, is the universal language of the market. English is the universal language of the world. Yeah, I have some technical issues. I mixed up the screens. I got a bigger screen, too big, 55 inch, too big in my opinion. So what do you see on the 65? 6 candles of 65 minutes gives us a full daily candle. I will talk about everything. I will talk about all your requests. Slowly. I will not pass any requests. Pan W. Let's talk about Pan W. Pan W, by the way, if you're interested, I'm holding Ulta, BKE, PCAR, ELF, and ACCD for short. Later I will go over my holdings. Pan W, under a sell signal, pre-market into the yellow zone. We know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled. 360 will get filled. No one knows. You want to go long? In my opinion, you need to wait for a day or two closing above the 306 inside this yellow zone. This is my opinion on Pan W. UPST for long. Let's check UPST. What did I miss on the UPST? UPST for long. What do you see on UPST? Downtrend channel below the sell signal. Nothing much on UPST. In my opinion, no long. And it's not only my opinion. It's also the FTI opinion. This is UPST. Without FTI, this is UPST. With the FTI, what do you see? Downtrend channel, sell signal below the red line, below the yellow zone. No long on UPST. Of course, this is only my opinion. Always do your own due diligence. What else do we see? IRM. IRM. Nice. Uptrend until proven otherwise. As long as you are above the yellow zone, as long as you are inside this channel, as long as you are above the green line, you are good to go. Your stop loss should be just around the 71.32. And if you don't know how to manage your risk without the FTI, no problem. You have ATR. This is what you need. ATR. You have average range. As you can see, it's one of my favorites. ATR. Entry price minus ATR. This is your stop loss. Yes, not closing price, entry price. If you entered in a certain price minus ATR, there should be your stop loss. Overall IRM looks very nice. RL, where did you learn to bring these kind of stocks? Nice. What else do we have? IYW. IYW. iShares US Technology. It's like the XLK. Same thing, right? Yeah. Same, but different. XLK Technology, IWM, also IYW, uptrend until proven otherwise. As long as you are above the yellow zone, above the 128 inside this channel, long continuation above the 135 towards 140, 147, and then yes, this channel predicts all the way to 166. What else do we have? Nice, Yag, thank you very much. Now you see the screen. EG. What is EG? I don't know what it is, but it's in a downtrend. Downtrend, below a sell signal, below the yellow zone, no long on EG in my opinion. Hi, Sharon. Felicity Diamonds. What is your opinion on Fiverr? Fiverr. It's not my opinion. What the price is. What's the market's opinion on Fiverr? Downtrend until proven otherwise. You have this gap. We might fill this gap and then back to the downside. And as you can see, we don't need to think too much on how to analyze the chart. We broke below an uptrend. Below the 2187, we are going towards the 19, and these trend lines, you will see them flip from upside to downside. Nothing much on Fiverr, if you ask me. You don't see? What do you don't see? Why you don't see the screen? You see the screen. I think you're in delay. Those who says that you don't see the screen, I think you are in delay because we see the screen. If you use Microsoft Edge, there is an option for simultaneous translation for Hebrew. What else? Hi Faiz, how are you, my friend? Long time. See my desktop. What else? W. Can I see SoFi? I can see SoFi. Here is SoFi. 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 Downtrend. If you want to go long on SoFi, in my opinion, only above 930. If you want to start your long position, start it slowly. No need to go all in all at once. Wait for a break above this channel, above the 850, and then start slowly. And then if you see a weekly break above the 930, add to your already winning position. WFC, Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo, super uptrend. If you're already long, your stop should be or the 5230 or the 5030. You choose, it's your position. You can choose wherever you want to put your stop loss, as long as you put your stop loss. Do not trade. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do your bank account and your portfolio a favor. Do not trade without a stop loss. Wells Fargo, long continuation. Let's check if we can take more levels, support and resistance. Yep, as you can see, this is your first stop loss. If you want to let it run more, so your stop loss should be at the 51 or 52.33 or 51. You choose. It's your position. Very nice, Wells Fargo. Thank you very much for sharing. SMCI for long or for short. What do you see? Do not fight the trend. One candle or even two candles, and it doesn't matter how big these candles are. What do you see? Uptrend until proven otherwise. What do I mean by until proven otherwise? As long as price is inside this channel, as long as price is above the yellow zone, you are in an uptrend. Don't fight the trend. Don't go against the trend. The trend is your friend, and the FTI is your best friend. See? Long continuation above. Let's see here. We can take Fibonacci a little bit tighter, like this. Above 950. Then 1080. Don't fight the trend. Walmart. Same. Uptrend above the yellow zone. You want to go long on Walmart? Here you have long above 61. Above 61, you will see 62 and 65 to the upside. And yes, as long as you are inside this uptrend channel, you're good to go long on Walmart. your stop should be just below the 57.80, or entry price minus ATR. And if you want to learn how to manage your risk, as long as you're in a position, closing price minus ATR. Next day, closing price minus ATR. Next day, closing price minus ATR. This is how you manage risk while you are in a position. What else do we have? You are in Dubai. How was Dubai? Pretty hot. RK for long. Let's take RK. RK for long. Let's take Fibonacci trend lines a little bit tighter. It's too wide in my opinion. We can adjust it. We need a close. I would wait. It's in an uptrend, but we are below the yellows, below a sell signal and inside the yellow zone. I would wait for 2 or 3 days above the yellow zone, above the 49.30. Otis. Let's check Otis. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Nice. Pretty nice volume. Uptrend until proven otherwise. You are above a buy signal, above a green line, above a yellow zone. Long continuation above 93.90 towards 95 and 97 to the upside. What else do we have? Roblox. M. Macy's. What do we have on Macy's? Let's check it. Let's do it a little bit tighter. This is the tightest we have. Now, we don't even need the trend lines. No need trend lines. Now let's see. You are above the yellow zone, you're above the green line, you're good to go, but I would wait for a break above the 1980, and then you have 2030 and 21 to the upside. Overall, you can take trend lines and mark the trend by yourself. You take this tool over here, parallel channel, you take it low to low and high to high, and there you have it all, and this is your road for future price action. Think of these trend lines with the middle trend line as your road for future price action. As long as this yellow trend line is holding support, you are good to go long. Be careful tomorrow. Tomorrow, before the open, do not hold. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're a gambler, hold through earnings. If you're a trader, don't hold through earnings. Just don't. Wait it out. UAL, if you're here, you probably like what you see and what you hear. Just hit a like, hit a subscribe, so I know you like what you see. So I know that my content gives you something to rely on. UAL, United Airlines, above the green line, above the yellow zone, long continuation above 45.90, and then we have 49.66 to the upside. We talked about Pan W. What else do we have? Microsoft for short. Why Microsoft for short? First, it shows me areas you didn't watch the weekly market review where I go over SPY, QS, IWM, Dow Jones, Bitcoin, the Magnificent Seven. Microsoft, why short? Why? This is beyond my pay grade. I don't know why people always look to go short. You have trend lines. Trend lines takes you up. Why short? Beats me. Long until proven otherwise. You see trend lines, all the trend lines goes up. So as long as the trend line goes up, you don't go short. Unless you want to lose money, be my guest. Long continuation above 420 towards 435. What else do we have? Roblox for short. Let's check Roblox for short. Like, ladies and gentlemen, I don't forget anyone. I do my best. All you need to do is just hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm putting out 2 videos every day. I'm putting out live. We have the Discord. We have everything. I have the Twitter. I have the Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me yet on Instagram, so you should. Roblox for short. Again, short. What do you have with shorts? Why are you looking to go short all the time on everything that you see? No short for now on Roblox. You want to go short, in my opinion, only below 37.90, and then you have a double top scenario that will take you to 33 here. But we are still in an uptrend. Do not fight the trend. ISRG, what do we see? Long until proven otherwise. Let's clean the chart a little bit. Long until proven otherwise. And above 392, we will see 411 and 535 to the upside. Your stop loss, in my opinion, should be 376, 377. Hi, Aniv. Thank you very much for joining. And this is my Twitter. This is my Instagram. Fibonacci-Traders Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. Tips on how to become a better trader, and the technique and the mindful and the mindset and the psychology behind trading. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. This is the link. This is all I ask, ladies and gentlemen. This is all I ask. Like, subscribe, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. By the way, we also had an amazing live. It was 2 days ago. It was Sunday evening. Sunday evening? My evening. It was Saturday. Saturday afternoon, Israel time. New York, Saturday morning. We had an amazing live. Amazing live. Yeah, so no short for now, Erez. What else do we have? Hi, Eyal. Thank you very much for joining. Long time no see. How are you, buddy? SNDL. Downtrend. To be honest, we tried long on this name last week once it broke inside the yellow zone, but this is why we have stop losses. We got stopped out, and now if you want to go long on SNDL, only above a weekly close above the 145, we are still in a downtrend. One candle does not change the overall sentiment. and we are still in a downtrend. Hi, Yair. Yair, how are you this morning, this evening, this afternoon? What else do we have? Let's check the futures. Futures for now, nothing much. Basically moving sideways. Bulls are holding the 50.76, and here we are at the US 500 15 minutes. Hit this trend line. Now let's see, retesting the 50.90 to the downside as support. If you want, this is my holdings. These are my holdings. Ultra Beauty. By the way, I share my holdings for long, for short, for day trade, swing trade in the Fibonacci Discord, the only Discord you want to be a part of. Ulta, I'm holding long. PCAR, Pakar Inc., I'm holding long. BKE, I'm holding long. ACCD, I'm holding short. You have a double top below 10.14. We will see 8.70 to the downside. So these are my holdings, and this is the FTI. For those who don't know, the only tool that you need on your chart to become a better professional trader. It will help you avoid emotions. It will help you get a better buy-sell signals up to 85% accuracy. You heard me right. Up to 85% accuracy. What do we see here? Bitcoin on the 4 hours chart, moving sideways. Nasty chart on the Bitcoin, nothing much on the 4 hours, just moving sideways in the past already 2 weeks or so. If this yellow zone will fail to hold, it means that this trend line is failing to hold, and then we are going to downside 49,700 and back to the 47,690. Any other questions? Any other requests? Semyon wants AKAM, Akam Technology. Broke, nasty broke after earnings, below this uptrend channel. Now the 106 is holding strong support, the 106.57. Below it, you have all the levels to the downside. All this future support to the downside, these red lines. If you're already long on AKAM, I have no good news for you, my friend. Nothing much. Nothing much. Below the yellow zone, below the trend, below the uptrend channel, below the sell signal, nothing much. Sorry to be the bad guy. VST. By the way, if you want, only if you want, super chats, ladies and gentlemen. We have super chats in this channel. Let's check the Fibonacci trend lines. Broke above it. Now we are heading north. Let's check to the upside. Now, as you can see where pre-market is, 59. Next we have 55.35 is the next resistance, and this trend line will become support. Vistra Group, Wednesday, you have earnings. Be careful before they open. What else do we have? India 50 ETF. First, no volume whatsoever. I don't trade this kind of stuff. I don't trade below 250 or 300K shares per day. But overall, this name that follows, I guess, the 50 big companies in India stock market, long above 50.87, and then you have 51.50, 52.34, uptrend until proven otherwise. AJGRS, you are asking me the names from my top stocks to watch. So my suggestion, my friend, go back, watch the stock market weekly recap, and then check my top stocks to watch. AJG is one of them. Per days, oh, and per days, not per calendar, per days. 30 days since the minute you joined. If you join today, 30 days from today. This is not a calendar. It's only days. If you want, you can join. Let me post the link. How to join? This is how you join. Hi, Ofek, thank you very much for the suggestion. If someone wants to see me day trading, they're more than welcome to the Discord. Once again, if you're a member in the Fibonacci-Traders Discord, you can see me trade live. Not actually live, but I post every trade, everything when I go in, when I go out, where I put my stop loss. You can see everything. This is the Discord for those who don't know. The Fibonacci-Traders Discord. And basically going day trading live can be super, super boring. You know why? Because there are hours and hours of just nothing to do, just watching charts. Super boring. This is the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. You have trading floor in Hebrew, trading floor in English, everything 2 times. No excuses. If you want Hebrew, we day trade in Hebrew. We swing trade in Hebrew. We talk in Hebrew. You want English? We day trade in English. We swing trade in English. We option trade in English. We crypto trade in English. We chat in English. We have special lives in English. And of course, you have my full support. My full support, yes, Moshe. I'm an Israeli living abroad, based in China, but you see, we trade together. Offer just posted. McDonald's. We have everything in Hebrew. We have everything in English, both language. And as you can see, I post my holdings. And we have the FTI signals. This is new. This is still under beta, but as I said, I'm still on vacation until coming Saturday, but I'm working. As you can see, I'm working. Ofek, thank you very much. I will consider all your feedbacks. As you can see, we have these FTI signals. This is a new channel, beta version. The FTI gives us signals automation for short and day trading. You have buy signals, you have sell signals, day trade, swing trade, everything that you need under one roof. This is the only Discord you want to be a part of. The only one. So yeah, I'm an Israeli living abroad. If you don't know me, I'm Israeli living abroad in the past 12 years already in China, moved to China 2012, full-time trader since 2016. 2016, yeah. 2016. So, any other comments, any other requests, any other feedbacks? As you can see live, you see how trend lines hold the price. Now, I hear many questions like, is it time to invest in Nvidia? Is it time to invest in Tesla? Is it time to invest? No one knows what will happen next in the next year, in the next 2 years, in the next 5 years. No one knows. I don't know what will happen with me tomorrow or the week after or the next month. How can I know what will happen with Nvidia? Maybe Nvidia is the next Nokia. Could be, right? Never say never. But if you want to invest, to go long for a long time on Nvidia, what do? Check the monthly chart. And then you trade Nvidia based on the monthly chart. What does it mean? Trade on a monthly chart? It means everything you do, you plan your trade based on the monthly chart. You want to go long on Nvidia? Let's say you go long. Now, today, 800, you bought Nvidia. You need to put your stop loss. You put your stop loss according to the monthly ATR. 800 minus 80, 720. Or just below last month's low. This month, February, is still not closed. So you go back to January lows, and this is your stop loss. Yes, this is a far stop loss, but you are trading it for the long term. So your stop loss also should be pretty far from your entry price. This is how you invest for the long term. You don't see this? Invest for the long term. Take trend lines. What do you see? Uptrend, uptrend. We are at the upper border of this trend line. It doesn't mean we will get a pullback. Could we get a pullback? Yes. Will we get a pullback? No one knows. This is why we have stop loss. Now, where Nvidia might be heading next? Fibonacci. As long as Nvidia is above 750 on the monthly time frame, Nvidia is going 1231 on the monthly time frame. You're investing, you're not investing, you are trading for the long term. Every investment also should have some kind of a stop loss, right? Every investment. You don't want to put your money in something that in theory can go to zero. Nvidia can go to zero. Nobody expected Nvidia to go to 800 when she was only 300 over here. Nobody expected it to go 800. Zero. You want your investment to go to zero? No. And it doesn't matter if you invest in Nvidia, trade Nvidia on a monthly time frame, or you buy a house, or you invest in I don't know, in a land, or you buy a shoe store. If tomorrow all people around the world will stop wearing shoes, your shoe store investment goes to zero. So you need a stop loss on everything that you do. Even if you trade / invest for the long run, you need a stop loss. Yes, you must have a stop loss. You cannot trade, and it doesn't matter if it's Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla, Apple, or any other name. You need to have stop loss on everything that you do in life. It's your money. Take care of your money. Yes, Nvidia can go to 1231. Yes, Nvidia can go to 5160. But Nvidia can also go to 170 or 120. But I'm investing. I don't care if Nvidia will go to 120. Really? You won't care because you're an investor? You will care. You will. This is why stop loss is your only friend in trading, in the trading world. Yes, Moshe, first you go to my YouTube channel. You go to the playlist called Fibonacci-Traders playlist. Show you here. This is the Fibonacci. This is my YouTube channel. You go to my channel. You go to playlists. And there you will find everything that you need to start your way in this amazing world of trading. Fibonacci-Traders Academy. You see it over here. 33 or 34, I don't remember how many. You have it. 34 videos on how to become a better trader. See, number one reason you have here, just need to look for it. The ATR have a special video. First have also a special video on how I find A+ setups, how to improve. And also you have A+ Master ATR, you see? Number 32 in the playlist, Master ATR. So go check it out. This is your first step to learn the basics of basics in technical analysis and in trading overall. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Amir, for this amazing super chat. I wish I knew how to pop it up on the screen, but as you know, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm merely a trader, trying to help other traders to become professional traders. What else do we have? What's your opinion on VTYX? What is this name? VTYX. Vanguard? Bioscience. No, it's bioscience something. Look at the monthly. Would you invest? If we're talking about long-term holding, long-term investing, long-term trading, would you invest in something, some kind of this chart? In this kind of chart, would you invest your money in it without a stop loss? Just imagine you went long, invested in VTYX that went up from 12 to 45, 280%. You're now investing in Ventix Bioscience. And then your investment just went down the toilet. And this is what happens to investing without a stop loss. So everyone, even the biggest investors of them all, they have stop losses. They have, trust me, they have stop loss. If Apple will go down 50%, you will see Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett selling all his Apple. I don't like this kind of names. I don't do biosciences. Why? Too volatile, too risky. You have a gap here, you have a gap here. Both gaps will get filled. 90% chance. Which one of them will get filled first? You want to go long above 750. You want to go short below 4. What else do we have? You're more than welcome, Moshe. My buy in 6.2, my sell 7. Good luck. Good luck with this one. Any other questions? Any other requests? Don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. We are going live every day, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. 2 videos coming out every day. 7 a.m. Israel time, 12 a.m. Eastern Time. Stock market recap. So make sure you follow it. Thank you very much for joining this live. I hope you find it helpful. Until the next live, until the next video. Stay safe.